I'm going to talk about Flipgrid. I've used Flipgrid a couple times in different classes. Flipgrid is a way for students to be able to share short videos of a topic that you choose, when they can actually see each other's videos and reply to each other's videos, and it gives students kind of a different outlet to communicate and share information. So here's an example of how you set up, this is a class, my chemistry class. Then you can create different topics. And students do not have to have an account to access this. They can just join with the join code, and you can send them an email to ask them to join your group. So here's an example of one that was completed. This is just just an example one. So as you can see, these people all introduce themselves to the class, and so this just gives you you can add another response, and you can reply to other people's comments as well. And so it just gives students a way to make a video to demonstrate the understanding of a topic rather than have to type to demonstrate the understanding of a topic. I did look up information on how to integrate this into Canvas, and it does integrate with an LTI. So I don't have that set up right now because I haven't used it in my class. But you can also just email students the join codes and the links, and so you can also link to it through Canvas as well. But it does integrate with an LTI probably more seamlessly. So yeah, a great tool. I mean, it can be used for anything. They could explain a topic, they can have a discussion, anything you want, and they can kind of reply back and forth to one another.